Arya, I am Veo, your personal AI mentor. What can I assist you with today?
Um, can you help me with Figma?
I sure can. To best help, can you tell me what you're trying to do in Figma? Are you starting a new project, trying to accomplish a specific task, or running into a problem? The more details you
I
give me, the better I can assist.
okay, so I want to build a page for my for an app called Locus, which is a travel app. So could you help me building one?
Okay, great. To clarify, are you wanting to design a page within the Locus app itself, or are you wanting to design a marketing page for the Locus app? Also, do you have any specific ideas about the page you want to build? For
Um,
example, is it a home screen, a profile page, or something else?
let's just say it's a home screen. So how should I make it?
Got it. So you want to design a home screen for the Locust travel app in Figma. Here's
Mm-hmm.
what I recommend.
Okay.
First, I can give you some steps to get started, but I need a confirmation from you. Are you ready for me to provide the steps, or do you want to think about it for a moment?
No, provide me a detailed workflow, step by step, from one to till the end, if you like.
Okay, here's a step-by-step workflow to create your Locus app home screen in Figma.
Yeah.
First, set up your project. I was in the middle of creating the steps. Were you able to follow along with the first step I mentioned, or were you looking to do something else?
Can you mention the step one?
My apologies. I seem to have cut off. Okay, here's a step-by-step workflow to create your Locus app home screen in Figma.
Okay.
First, set up your frame. 1. Create a new frame in Figma that matches the screen dimensions of a typical smartphone, like an iPhone or Android device. You can find these presets on the right panel when you click on the Artboard tool. 2. Give your frame a descriptive name like Home Screen. 3. Set the background color of the frame to white or a light gray. Try that batch and let me know the result, and we can move on to step 2.
Okay. Should I go for a rectangle or a circle or anything?
For the overall frame of the home screen, stick with the rectangle shape that's created when you select a device preset. You'll use other
Okay.
shapes like circles and rectangles. Were you able to create the frame?
Yeah, I just created
Great.
one.
Great. Next, let's design the header. 1. At the top of your frame, create a rectangle that spans the entire width. This will serve as the header. 2. Give the header a contrasting color, like a blue or green that fits your Locus app's branding. 3. Add the
Okay.
Locus logo or app name to the left side of. Are you working on the header or were you to do something else?
I'm working on a header. What should I write in the header?
Great question. Since it's a travel app, you could include the app name Locus along with a brief, catchy tagline like Explore the World or Your Travel Companion. Alternatively, you could include a greeting like Good morning, afternoon, evening, followed by the user's name. Or if you have a specific promotion or message you want users to see right away, you could feature that in the header. What do you think is most important for users to see when they open the app?
Okay, I just wrote the header as Locus, the traveling assistant. Then what should I do next?
Nice. Now that you have the header in place, let's move on to the main content area of the home screen. Here are
Mm-hmm.
the next steps. 1. Decide what key information or features you want to highlight on the home screen. This could include things like recommended destinations, upcoming trips, search bar, or quick access to popular features. 2.
Okay,
Create.
so tell me what widgets should I create for the main page?
Okay. Here are a few widget ideas for the main page of your Locus app home screen. A prominent search bar. This allows users to quickly search for destinations,
Let's create the
activities,
search
or.
bar first.
Okay, great choice. To create the search bar, 1. Draw a rectangle in the main content area. Make it wide enough to span most of the screen's width. 2. Give it a light background color like white or a very light gray so it stands out from the background but doesn't
Okay.
distract from the content. 3. Add a rounded corner radius to the rectangle to give it a softer, more modern look. A radius of around 8 to 12 pixels usually works well. Try that and let me know how it looks.
What radius did you speak of?
I recommended a corner radius of around.
I chose 20. Is that okay?